So today we're installing the Taiker. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. The Taiker shower. Which this shower head is plastic. All of it's plastic, and I was worried if the threads were going to strip easily, but it went on pretty smooth. It's not a bad shower head, but we'll see in time if it lasts. That's my thing. It's a Amazon product. Spent like I think $30 on it, but installation was easy, not hard at all, and I have no leaks. So my old one I had leaks, and that's what I'm changing it. But it's not a bad shower head. Works pretty good. All right, guys, on with the show. So these are all the ingredients for our new shower head. Teflon tape, washers, the 3-way diverter for your shower head and your sprayer, your holder. Now your holder, you got to make sure that it's sitting just like that. It can't be this way or it's not going to work. As well as the cord that goes on the spray head. This one has to go on the spray head, not this one. It has to be like that, okay? So you can get your Teflon tape and remove the old shower head, and then Teflon tape around the metal edge of the pipe, and make sure that's overlapping halfway for a tighter fit and no leakage, hopefully. We'll see after this if all this works. So now I'm going to get my diverter, and the picture has diverter going this way to my left, and then this part goes onto your pipe, your shower head pipe. So we're going to put that on real quick. So that's what it's going to look like after you put the 3-way diverter on your old shower bar, shower head, or whatever. And I tighten this with a crescent wrench or adjustable to get that there real tight, and works pretty good. So after we get the whole install, we'll see if it leaks, but hopefully it won't. So we'll see. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, so these cords have a little white cap that comes on with it. Here, let me show you. Like this one, and when you take it off, you'll see a washer in there already. Plus the kit comes with 3 washers. So I guess these are backups, but there's already a washer in it, so that's a good thing. So we're going to attach this, and I'll see you in a bit. And that is the cord attached to the bottom. And this one attaches to the sprayer. The sprayer that's going to sit beside the whole thing. That side maybe. Alright, see you in a bit. Now we have the rainfall shower head on. So the way you tighten it, there's 2 flat places where you can put a adjustable wrench and just tighten that on. So we got that done. Let's do the spray it now. So whenever putting this on, remember it has to be this way up. There's adhesive on the back, so we're just going to stick it on the wall. Alright, let me do that. See you in a minute. Alright, so we have it installed. I just turned the water on. Had some leaks, so I tightened everything up. And now it's leak free. Pretty nice. Here, let me show you. So that's both sprayers on. that's just the handheld. I see the water still coming out of that, so I don't know if that's going to keep dripping or stop. And that's just rainfall hit, which seems to be working okay. No leak. Everybody's good.